So the other week I took my two eldest sprogs to a nature reserve that I've only just found out about around my way at Barling. I thought it looked like a promising site for owls and rabbits in the evening, as it has lots of open meadow, but sadly this wasn't the case. The first thing we did see were these swifts flying high above us, but as they were hunting, they were way too fast for me to capture properly on camera. Next, at a feeding station, we spotted this rat. There are also these tits, but I'm not entirely sure what type they are. Their plumage is quite toned down, so I believe they may be marsh tits, but it could also be a juvenile great tit. We headed to the hide, where we waited for a good 20 minutes or so, but saw absolutely nothing, apart from pigeons. My daughter did try her hand at recording another tit herself, and well, she's got to start somewhere. With an absence of animals, however, we soon turned to plants instead. So what are they? What are they?
They are seeds and they are very, very fluffy.
And why do you think they're fluffy?
Because the seeds have little bits coming off them and they're all together, they make it really fluffy and make it all stuck together.
Why do you think they're fluffy though? You get blown around in the wind and they get stuck to animals' fur. Are they apples? Oh. Are they apples or crab apples? I think they might be crab apples. Ow! No, you don't want to. Yeah. What are these?
I know what these are.
What are they?
They're not blueberries.
Yeah, what are they?
They're similar to blueberries. They're berries for birds.
Berries for birds, otherwise called
Blueberries.
sloes.
Yeah.
So, what animal did you see?
We saw a rat, some dragonflies. We found some different kinds of birds and some fluffy plants and
Yes. That's about it.